In this video, we're going to be looking at the question we have on the screen, which says if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the value of 1 negative alpha squared into 1 negative beta squared is. So this is a past question from Maths 101, and these were the options. Right, so let's see how we could tackle it. The question given to us is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, and then it said that alpha and beta are the roots, right? And that we are to find 1 negative alpha squared into 1 negative beta squared. Please, if you've not watched my video on quadratic theory part 1, please do well to where I explained all this stuff: sum of roots, product of roots, sum of squares, sum of cubes of roots, right? Please do well to watch quadratic theory part 1. And also, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to click the subscribe button, click the like button, share this video, comment at the end. Right, so how do we go about this now? The simple way to go about this is to actually expand what is given to you, which is 1 negative alpha squared into 1 negative beta squared. And then on simple expansion, 1 times 1 is 1 minus negative alpha squared times 1 is negative alpha squared, right? Then negative beta squared times 1 is negative beta squared. Then negative alpha squared times negative beta squared is positive, because minus times minus is what? That's positive. So that's alpha squared beta squared. So if you watch my video on quadratic theory part 1, we're able to deduce the value of sum of roots and products. And in that video, you see that I stated that if you are given an expression in terms of alpha and beta that is not alpha plus beta or alpha beta, what you simply do is to simplify the expression such that it will be in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, so that it simply substitutes. And for a quadratic equation, the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to negative b over a, which is in this case, right? And the product of the roots is c over a. So once we get that, the job is done. You just to correctly simplify it, and that is all. So from this now, you can see that minus is a factor, minus 1 is a factor, so we can factor out negative 1. That will be 1 minus, then a bracket alpha squared plus beta squared, because negative alpha squared divided by negative will give us positive alpha squared, and negative beta squared divided by negative will give us positive beta squared, plus alpha squared beta squared, which is equal to 1 negative alpha squared plus beta squared plus alpha beta all squared. I hope you agree. Do you understand? So alpha squared beta squared is same as alpha beta all squared. That's an index rule. So how do we tackle this? Because we have already, alpha beta is here, but how do we get alpha squared plus beta squared? If you watched my first video, I see that if you are given this, all you simply do is to square alpha plus beta all squared. If you watch that part 1, and we got alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta, and then we made alpha squared plus beta squared the subject of the formula. And from that, it was then deduced that alpha squared plus beta squared is what? That will be 1 minus alpha plus beta all squared minus what? 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta all squared. Once you get this, the job is done. So we have already gotten the value of alpha plus beta as what? Negative b over a, and we've gotten alpha beta as what? C over a. So we simply substitute. That will be 1 minus negative b over a all squared minus 2 into c over a plus alpha beta is c over a, that's c over a all squared. Do you get? And then from there, we can then simplify. That will be 1 minus, and the bracket negative b over a all squared will be what? To be b squared over a squared, because negative times negative is positive, then minus what? 2c over a, then plus c over a all squared is equal to what? C squared over what? A squared. With this now, you can then get the LCM. If you get the LCM is a squared. A squared divided by 1 is a squared times 1. That's a squared minus, put a bracket, a squared divided by a squared is 1, right? And then times b squared, that's what? Then negative a squared divided by a is a times 2c, that will be what? 2ac, plus a squared divided by a squared is 1 times c squared, that will give us c squared. With this, the job is done. So that will be a squared minus 1 times b squared give us negative b squared, and negative times negative 2ac will give us positive 2ac plus what? C squared all over what? A squared. And then according to the law of indices, we study indices, it says that when you have 1 over a to the power n is equal to what? A to the power what? Minus n. Do you get? So this expression here can be rewritten as what? A to the power what? Minus 2, because this is like a squared negative b squared plus 2ac plus c squared times 1 over a squared, because a squared is under. So on bringing the a squared up, it becomes a to the power minus 2 into what? A squared minus b squared plus 2ac plus what? C squared. And looking at the options we have, we can see that the correct answer to this question is option B. A to the power negative 2 into a squared negative b squared plus 2ac plus what? C squared. So this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I'm very grateful. Please do not forget, if you've not subscribed, please do well by clicking the subscribe button. It's free of charge. Like, share this video, and I hope you saw my number. You've seen my number on the screen. If you have any questions related to this, please do well to ask. Share your comments, give your reviews. I'll be happy to hear. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.